He's on the phone. I literally just changed my battery, and I see this man having a nice little phone call. Oh dear, what are you doing with your phone? What on earth are you doing on your phone?
Just in traffic.
And would you like to check the highway code to see whether that's allowed? I'll be reporting it to the police, so within the next 14 days you should get a letter from them, assuming they choose to prosecute you. Can't be doing that, man. You have a HN72PNK. Shame on you. Afternoon, be lucky. You should know better. Please.
Have you done me or am I good to go?
I don't know, it depends what I see on the camera tonight.
Please.
But if there's evidence, I'm sorry, man. You gotta know better. Yeah, I don't want to talk. I don't think it's going to be practical. There's another one on the phone, very clearly looking down. Oh dear.